In this video, we are going to explore use cases for integrating Salesforce with Bonterra Impact Management. Sidekick Solutions is a Zapier certified expert. We work exclusively with nonprofit and public sector organizations specializing in integrations and system automation for case management and donor management CRM software. Our team of integration experts supports Zapier-enabled integrations and custom-developed integrations using the Bonterra Impact Management API, Bonterra Impact Management Connect API, and Bonterra Impact Management Automated Import SFTP tools. We've released a number of products, including the Connect Auto Provision application, Zapier Connector, and Private API. This slide includes a list of our automation deployments to date across a variety of iPaaS platforms, applications, and solutions. We believe integration and automation are essential to user experience and the promise of efficient work through technology. The goal of case management software is to do less paperwork and serve more people. From our view, automation is a critical ingredient to realizing that full vision. This is why our team at Sidekick Solutions develops integration products and services for Bonterra Case Management software. The challenge most users face in Bonterra Impact Management is that the product does a great job of building an electronic record, but it is click-heavy. Because service delivery is a dynamic experience, the only way to reduce time is to reduce clicks and to do so smartly. This means we focus on automations and workflow rules that run conditionally, integrations that reflect Bonterra Impact Management's strengths as a customizable platform, remove double entry, and expand capability and capacity without requiring more human capital. Bonterra Impact Management is a constituent relationship management platform with a primary function of case management. It is geared towards serving individuals, engaging them, and interacting with them. But Bonterra Impact Management may not be the only system you use. As a result, we think of it as a hub. Bonterra Impact Management is a strong end-user business application and serves well as the central hub of a tech stack. We find that users enjoy the look and feel, and it does a great job of building a case file per participant. Because Bonterra Impact Management is a hub product, we have the opportunity to extend it with spokes. We think about that process in 6 steps. You can use this to plan for extension of your technology stack with Bonterra Impact Management. When exploring new technology to extend Bonterra Impact Management, we encourage you to focus on your mission, strategic plan, and organizational goals, allowing real use cases to drive the adoption of new tools or apps. When we think about integrations, it's helpful to think of it as stacking bricks. Once you have one automation in place, you level up to the next layer and so on. This is how you can, over time, build a complete technology stack or ecosystem around your Bonterra Impact Management system. The journey to full system automation is never over. As more use cases require automation or other apps are added to your organization's tech stack, you will need to continue improving and expanding the solutions integrated with Bonterra Impact Management. When exploring an integration between Salesforce and Bonterra Impact Management, the data can flow in either direction. We are going to explore a use case where data syncs from Bonterra Impact Management to Salesforce first. For this use case, the client adopted Bonterra Impact Management to support its staff with its case management activities. All other departments of the organization continue to use Salesforce, and Salesforce remains the primary database for funder reporting. Therefore, the client needed to ensure key demographic and service data was available in Salesforce for this reporting. This client solution had 3 primary flows. First, for each new or update to an existing Tier 1 participant in Apricot, the flow searches for an existing contact in Salesforce by the Tier 1 participant record ID. If an existing contact is not found, a new one is created. If an existing contact was found, it'll be updated. Second flow for this solution revolves around enrollments or cases. For each new or updated Tier 2 enrollment record in Apricot, the flow searches for an existing case in Salesforce by the Tier 2 enrollment record ID. If an existing case is not found, a new one is created, and if an existing case was found, it will be updated. The last flow of this solution triggers when a new Tier 2 service record is created in Apricot. It creates a corresponding service record in Salesforce. By syncing this key demographic and service delivery data from Bonterra Impact Management to Salesforce, the organization was able to continue generating funder reports across all domains from a centralized source. For the next two use cases, we are going to explore flows that sync data from Salesforce back to Bonterra Impact Management. The first use case follows an organization that runs Salesforce, specifically the NeighborWorks Compass program, alongside Bonterra Impact Management for its housing, counseling, and education services. This solution has two primary flows. For each new contact created in Salesforce, the flow searches for an existing Tier 1 participant in Apricot, creating a new one if an existing Tier 1 record is not found. Then the contact in Salesforce is updated to append the founder-created Tier 1 participant record ID to support syncing of service-related data. Service delivery in Salesforce is tracked on a record called Bookings and Notes. Each time a new Bookings and Notes record is created, the flow will use the Tier 1 participant record ID on the contact to create a Tier 2 service record in the participant's document folder in Apricot. This solution allows the organization to centralize all service delivery in the participant's document folder and Bonterra Impact Management, creating a complete electronic case file. Another common use case is syncing vendors or partners from Salesforce to Bonterra Impact Management. While this solution isn't as robust as the prior two use cases, it ensures the Tier 1 vendor or partner directory in Bonterra Impact Management remains in sync and users are selecting from an up-to-date directory. These use cases are the tip of the iceberg for integrating Salesforce with Bonterra Impact Management. If you are interested in exploring deployment of this solution for your organization, contact us at sales@sidekicksolutionsllc.com to get started.